The number of U.S. firms optimistic about China's business outlook over the next 5 years fell to 52%, a record low, according to a survey from AmCham Shanghai. Political tensions between China and the U.S., alongside China's slow recovery, were top concerns for leaders. With more is Yahoo Finance's own Rick Newman. Rick, hi.
Hey guys, I think this undermines a lot that we've been seeing in the relationship between the United States and China. And it's not just the Biden administration. I mean, let's remember President Trump first imposed tariffs on about half of all Chinese imports to the United States back in 2018. China retaliated with imports on U.S. exports from the United States to China. And those tariffs are still there. Meanwhile, China has had a difficult time getting out of the COVID hole. The economy is underperforming. They've got huge problems with debt in the real estate sector, which is a giant part of the economy there. So China is just not the jewel of the global economy that it once was. Now, in this same survey, there was some evidence that these business leaders say their companies are now emphasizing investment in other parts of the world, mostly in other Asian countries, and that reminds us of some of the things we've seen recently, such as some exports that are coming into the United States now coming from places like Vietnam or Singapore. I mean, you've had companies, some of those are even Chinese products, but they're going through third-party countries. So there's a lot going on in the relationship between China and the United States. I would say this idea of complete decoupling, though, we do not have complete decoupling. We still have tons of imports coming to the United States from China. A lot of that stuff you buy on Amazon still comes from China. I think we're just seeing changes in some of the ways that the whole relationship is being organized.
Yes, definitely no decoupling that is imminent. They're going to use our stuff, we're going to use theirs, and we are kind of joined in the hip in a few ways. All right, thank you for that, Rick Newman.